Hello from Porsche Henderson. This is Moriah.
My name is Michael.
And welcome back to Porsche of the Month.
Now, just to my left is a 2025 911 Carrera, a fantastic representation of the heart and soul of the Porsche brand.
This stunning build comes equipped with leather interior, as well as, of course, the Porsche crest on the headrest. We also are going to have the premium package, which comes with the Bose surround sound system, ventilated seats, and surround view with active parking support. It also comes with the Sport Chrono Package, which allows you to go from Sport mode to Sport Plus mode.
Now, powering our beautiful jet black metallic 911 is a 3-liter twin-turbo Boxer 6, pushing out a very healthy 388 horsepower, sending that power to staggered 21 and 20-inch Carrera S wheels finished in gloss black. Now, to complete the look of the exterior, we have our exclusive design taillights, our Porsche design side skirts, and our HD Matrix LED headlights finished in black to really complement the other features of the car. Please leave a comment if there's any vehicle in particular you'd like to see us go over next.
And be sure to join us next month. Thank you for watching.
This car is super cool. You should buy it. You don't need listeners.
He doesn't even work here.